everyone, Cyndi here with Grome Sewing Machine Company in San Antonio, Texas, and now Universal City, Texas. So guess what today is? Today is our Foot Friday Frenzy. And what foot are we gonna talk about today? Well, we are going to do the little hammer foot. A lot of people give us a call and they wanna know how to do that little tiny hem, because what's frustrating? Pressing, folding, pressing. Well, you don't have to do that when you use the hammer foot. And what I like about the hammer foot is that it actually takes my edge and folds it over, and all I do is stitch it down. All done in one step. Now, what should you do at home to prepare before you do the hem? Well, a lot of you have best press. All right, go this way. A lot of you have best press. This is wonderful stuff. It's like starch, but it doesn't leave that white residue. And you want to press your fabric really well. And in case you're wondering what this is the best little bottle invented. You pour your best press in there and it just kind of spritz it on instead of little streams and spits here and there. So anyways, make sure that you press your fabric before you attempt the hem. So now follow me over to the sewing machine and let's get started, and you'll see how easy it is to do this little rolled hem. Okay, so here we are at one of my favorite machines, the Juki DX2000. I've already attached my hammer foot, and for the sake of time, I've got a little bit of demo cloth here. It's kind of a stiff fabric. That's why I said make sure to press your hem so that you have something nice and stiff. Now, look over here and notice how I have a chain of thread. I've brought up my bobbin thread, and to start, what you want to do is you're going to want to stitch about 1/8 of an inch. So you're going to start right here, leaving your chain, and then you're just going to come down about 1 inch and work your way off the fabric, okay? So we're going to do that first. And there's a reason why I have you do that, and I'll show you in just a second. I'm going to lower my presser foot and come around here so my hand's not in the way. And I'm just holding on to these threads. And now I'm just coming off the edge. And I'm going to trim these threads very close, just like that, okay? So this chain that I had you leave on there, it's there for a reason, and you're going to use this chain. And if your foot has the ability to go up even higher, then make sure that you have it as high as it'll go. So we're going to grab this, and I'm using that chain to pull my fabric through. You see how I can do that? And once you get it in there, then you're going to lower your presser foot, and you're going to take the fabric, the edge where you're going to hem, and you're going to wrap it around your thumb. And I do apologize if my hand is in the way, but let's get started. Now let me stop here just for a minute so I can show you something. Your hammer foot has this little curly Q right here. And if we peek under here, you're gonna see that little edge down here. You want your fabric to rest on that. But this side of the fabric, if you put too much like this, you're gonna get a crinkle in your hem. So make sure that you're on the left side of your foot, and then you're resting on that little curve there. All right, so here we go. And there you go. See how beautiful that is? Now this here, where am I seeing things? Yep. You see a little bit of that where it looks like it's sticking out? That's what happens when you let your hem go beyond the right side of the foot. But this little leaving a chain technique is something I was taught long time ago. And I want to show you one other little technique that I was taught by Nancy Zeman. For those of you that remember her, she was phenomenal. And I loved her so much. I used to take a lot of classes with her. People always ask, well, what if I want to do a hem and I need to do it on 4 corners? So I'll show you her little technique, and it works great. In one of her classes, she said the best way to join a rolled hem at the corners or to even get it started is to cut your fabric at a little 45-degree angle, just like I did here. So for sake of time, I've already cut my fabric on that end as well as this end where we're gonna meet up with the other hem. So you just start stitching and let the foot do its little thing. And there you go. All right, everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this video and using this little hammer foot. Make sure that when you try it at home that you try both techniques. It's not an easy foot to start with, so take your time, don't get frustrated, see if the chain works for you or the little 45-degree angle. But once you master it, you're gonna love, love, love this presser foot. We do carry them for just about every brand, so if you want one, make sure that you give us a call at 210-684-0376. That's our San Antonio store. We can drop one in the mail for you. Also, don't forget to like us and follow us on Facebook, and make sure to share this video with all your sewing and quilting friends. But also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that little notification button so that when there's a video coming out, you will be the first to know. So, guys, we thank you for watching, and we will see you next time on our Foot Friday video. Bye.